Hello and welcome. Myself, Mr. Pulaki Bhagwashuk, Hey Shikshan Samsthat, Abasaheb Marathi, Arts and New Commerce Science College, Rajapur. Today's lectures we have discussed the organometallics. In the chapters, we have see the two metals, organomagnesium and organolithium compounds. Organometallics, we are considered the compounds containing it direct carbon metal bonds having the metals like the sodium, magnesium, zinc, cadmium, tannus, mercury, etc. Such metals which are joined to the carbon, which are called as the organometallic compounds. But later we have see the organoboron, silicon, arsenic, phosphorus, etc. also include under this group, even though these elements were not the metals, they are the non-metals which act as organometallic compounds. The term organometallics, which are defined as the compounds in which carbon atom of an organic group is directly attached to an atom of metal or non-metal like the boron, silicon, arsenic, phosphorus, etc., which having the less electronegative than carbon is called as the organometallic compounds. For example, later we have see this RMgX. So magnesium is a metals and R we having the sum of this carbon which is directly attached. So is the organomagnesium compounds. Another, it is a tetraethyl lead. It is also organometallics. Another examples, the sodium acetanilide, phenyllithium, or diethyl, dimethyl zinc. Another examples also the sodium phenoxides, sodium ethoxides, or the borane. Such examples are called as organometallic compounds. Next, we are going to the next point, the nature and the reactivity of the carbon metal bond in organometallics. When the carbon atom is directly attached to a non-metals like oxygen, nitrogen, or the halogen, etc., the electron attracted towards non-metals, which is more electronegative than carbon, and hence the bond is polarized. Therefore, the delta positive charge is on the carbon and delta negative charge is on the electronegative halide atom. See here, this is the examples. This is halides, it having the delta negative charge, and this carbon, it having the delta positive charge. But when the carbon is bonded to more electronegative more electronegative positive metals, then electrons are strongly attracted towards carbon and hence it creates ionic character. Therefore, the delta negative charge is on the carbon and delta positive charge is on the metal. Therefore, the organometallic do not exhibit 100% covalent character as the electropositivity of the metal increases. Hence, the carbon metal bond, the ionic character also increases. The carbon of an organometallic compounds has a carbanion character and it behaves as a nucleophile. And hence, the polarity of the bond to the metal is having the order potassium is greater than sodium and sodium is greater than lithium and lithium is greater than magnesium and magnesium is greater than zinc and zinc is greater than mercury, mercury is greater than copper, and therefore organolithium compounds more reactive than organomagnesium compounds. Now we have see the various types of organometallic compounds. The first type is ionic organometallic compound. The ionic metallic compounds are formed by highly electropositive alkali and alkaline earth metals like the carbon metal bond are mostly towards highly polar organic part will be negative and metal will be positive. See here, this is organic parts, it will be negative and the metal it having a positive except the lithium, beryllium and magnesium. The metal like equal to sodium, potassium or calcium which are highly electropositive and therefore these organic parts like carbon it is a negative. Similarly, the organic molecules like phenyl sodium or sodium acetylide. Second types we have see the covalent organometallic compounds. The compounds formed with less electropositive metals like aluminium, zinc, magnesium, etc. In case of sigma covalent bond is formed between carbon and metal, this regular covalent bond of the two electrons between two atoms, this carbon metal bond partially forms. See here, these carbon metal bonds are partially formed, like partially the charge is a delta negative charge and this is a delta positive charge. For example, this is phenyl magnesium halide. It is magnesium and this phenyl ring is partially form the bonds with these halogens as well as this iodide and this iodide with the zinc metal, it is also partially form these bonds. Next, diethyl zinc, it is also partially form these bonds between the carbon and the zinc. Polarity of the bond depends on the difference of electronegativity between carbon and metal, which is less reactive and less soluble than ionic solvent. Next types we have see the compounds with multi-centered bonds. In this compound, which can be considered as intermediate between the ionic and covalent organic metallic compounds. The bonding in these compounds is nothing but conventional 2 electron 2 center type. The bonding in these compounds are the 2 electron 2 center type, hence they involve the 3 centered bonds and electron deficient, hence they also called as non-classically bonded organometallic compounds. Why it is a 3 electron 3 center bond? This is a 3 center. This is one center, and 3. This is third, 3 center. And we want it to be 2 center. Which is 2 center? This is 1 center and this is 1 center. So this is a 2 center. 3 electron 2 centered type of bond is called as multi-center compound. The next type is the pi coordinated organometallic compounds. The unsaturated compounds like pi coordinated organometallic compounds, the unsaturated compounds like alkenes, alkynes, which are localized bond, and benzenoid and non-benzenoid aromatic compounds which have delocalized pi electrons. These pi electrons or lone pair of electrons can coordinate with the transition metals and to form the complex. See here these transition metals. With carbon through coordinate bond, in cyclic compound, the metal atom lies between the two rings and hence called as sandwich compounds. For example, this bisbenzene chromium. So these two benzene which are coordinate with this chromium to form the complex compounds, and another is a 5-membered compounds which join the iron, the name is a pyrrocene. In these natural organometallic compounds like the cyanocobalamin, another name is the vitamin B12, chlorophyll and heme metals. In these compounds having the cobalt, magnesium, and iron respectively coordinate with the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom in organic compounds.